What's good, MS Nation? It's your girl, Maiah Chanel.
You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy, Shawn, man. What's good?
So today has been a day, honey. Let me just sit it down for a second so we can just have a quick chat. So, y'all, first of all, we had a bunch of errands to run.
Whole lot.
You know, Shawn is starting work on Monday, and it was just a whole lot to get done. So, I think, what time did we leave the house this morning?
12.
No, I think we left before then. We had to leave around like either 10 or 11.
Man, we ate breakfast at 10. And we went down to the main office at 12.
I don't know
I
about
said,
that.
good morning, pulled my phone out. Good afternoon. It was 12:06. So
It might be.
It was 12 that we left.
It might be. First of all, y'all check out my nails.
They're wonderful, aren't they, y'all? They're beautiful.
These are press-ons, baby.
It's a full
Press-ons applied by yours truly.
You know, I had to help out a little bit. You know,
I used the little adhesive tabs. Those are the GOAT, y'all. You gotta mess with that messy glue.
Honestly, y'all, look, it's good for your nails. I mean, don't mess them up. So, I mean, hey, I'm all for it. I don't care. It's not my business.
Right. So today, what's the first thing we did? So the first thing that we went to do is we went to the mall. Now the mall is like 20, 25 minutes from here, so
Yeah,
it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. So we went to the mall because Shawn needs to try on some shoes to see what size that he needs to get in his dress shoes. So, you know, this is a little crooked and it's bothering me. There we go. So we went to the mall. He tried on his dress shoes and, you know, we figured out what size he needs and whatnot. And then we just kind of walked in the mall because, you know, we've never been in there. And it was
It's a mall.
It's a mall. Pretty
It's a
basic.
mall.
Pretty basic. Nothing spectacular going on there, okay?
Yeah, not at all.
Nothing spectacular.
No.
But after we did that, we went to Walmart because we had to return some stuff.
Finesse the gangway.
That's the game. We ain't gonna let y'all know our secrets.
Yeah, y'all need to know about that. We weren't gonna know that. That was no. That was no.
Don't do that.
No.
But we had to return some stuff to Walmart, and then we went to Sam's because we needed to get a few things from Sam's. So, you know, I usually like to get like my meats and like toiletries and stuff, like, you know, like paper towels, toilet tissue, laundry detergent, all of that from Sam's, just because it does come out cheaper, you know, especially for one person. That's gonna last for a long time.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So we went there, got water. You know, they have a whole 40 bottle case of water for like literally less than $3.
Yeah, wonderful.
Less than $3.
Can't beat that.
Can't beat that at all. So we did that. We went to Sam's. What did we do at the Sam's?
At the Sam's, then we went to Staples.
Yes, we went to Sam's.
But here's the thing though, y'all. So check me out. So I went to Staples because I'm starting my new job. I want to be on point. I want to be organized. You want to be professional. I want to get a portfolio. So none of y'all know what a portfolio is. Basically, it's like a little professional binder where you have like a little notepad in, a little calculator, put your little pen. You know what I'm saying? You go into your meetings looking, you know, on point, right? Mm-hmm. They were like $50 in the store.
Not even. There was some that was like $70.
Yeah. It was
$70 for a little.
I mean, the thing is, it's just for you, right? But the thing is, I don't want to drop 70 cash for that one item, and also I want to make sure I have, you know, like notepads. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like the first day of school again. You know, I want to be prepared. But we went on Amazon, and I was able to find everything cheaper and get a couple other things that I needed too for $70.
Well, it was probably even less.
I think it might even been cheaper than that.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be here in it's gonna basically be here in 2 days.
Right.
So I'm not even sure.
Covered.
It's cool.
Covered.
Then
still delivered.
Then after that, then we went to Giant Eagle. Now look, y'all. Up here, Giant Eagle is hot. I'm talking about, look, I didn't even know Giant Eagle does dry cleaning. I ain't taking my dry cleaning there.
Dry cleaning, a bank,
Pharmacy.
Gas, pharmacy, food. They might even have a daycare center in the back. Who knows?
They got everything. But the one that we went to, man, it don't hit like the one that that's our favorite is, like, you know, the waterfront that we mentioned before. after we did that, we only had to get like a few things. We got like eggs or whatever, like some rice. Then after we did that, what did we do next?
We brought everything back here, and then we had to like drop off the groceries, put them up, and oh, we also have to show y'all like our little gadget that we got. But dropped everything off. Came back here, picked up his shirts that needs to go get dry cleaned, and also one of his pants that needs to be hemmed. So we got that. Then we went to Chick-fil-A because we hadn't eaten. It was 4 o'clock.
Yes, it's 4 o'clock by this time, yeah.
We had not eaten lunch at all. So we went to Chick-fil-A, and then we went to Men's Warehouse to pick up his other suits and dress shirts that he ordered. They had come in, and then we went to, what's it called? Oh, you know what I forgot to put in? The rice vinegar. Rice vinegar to put in the rice. Yeah. But, so we went to the Alterations Express place so that we can get all the stuff there. They do dry cleaning, do him and all of that. So
freaking awesome.
Was in and out of there within 30 minutes. So we was good to go. Everything will be done in 2 days. So y'all today, and then we had to come back here. So I don't think we got back here until like almost 7 p.m. Yeah. So just, that was like ripping and running from 12 to 7.
And mind you, we also
full-time job.
And we were also stuck in traffic for like at least 30 minutes. Good 30. It was stuck in traffic for a little bit.
Yeah, for a good little minute. We don't need too much.
That's all.
Yeah, so traffic, and then we came back here, and now it's like it's after 9 o'clock, and we're making dinner. Yeah, so today was pretty hectic. It was long-winded, like we just had to explain everything to y'all, but it was freaking crazy. But babe, you want to explain to them what kind of chicken this is?
So
some little chicken breast.
Yeah, so it was like some thinly sliced chicken breast. It was just something I concocted real quick. You know, some salt, pepper, turmeric, onion powder, a little allspice on there as well. So that's like some ground up pimento beans, or what do they call them? Forgot. And then we just got right here just a little bit of
mixed veggies. That's cooking down, and then we got some brown rice over here.
Yeah,
we just add a little rice vinegar in there because they said that if you add vinegar to your rice, it lowers your sugars. So it's supposed to be healthy for you. So we trying it out. I use rice vinegar when I make my shrimp fried rice, but that's another thing. That's the secret, y'all. That is the secret. So
this is like something that we literally just threw together. Like, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. Cause look,
Shawn was knocked out on the couch.
It's a lot of it was a lot of driving today. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but we decided, you know what, we want to show y'all our night routine, because this technically is a part of our night routine. When we make dinner, we kind of sit down after we're done editing videos, trying to get this content out to you guys.
Working all day.
You know, working on other little things, getting ready for work. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, there's so many different things that we're trying to do. So first we're doing dinner, and then, you know, we're just gonna take y'all through everything else that we do before we go to bed, basically.
Right. So I do want to show y'all, before we like eat and everything, I do want to show y'all this amazing little thing we just got. Do you want to show them? You want me to show them?
No, you can show them.
Okay,
right there.
So we got, you know, we trying to be like super organized and everything. So we got us this cool little spice rack, y'all. So boom. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description for y'all, but just look at the beauty. Okay, now this little area right here, it's not really pleasing to me, but it's gonna have to do for now because they can't really fit up there, so it's okay for now. This right here, baby, that's just beautiful to me. That is just,
no, it's freaking awesome.
Like, it's just
really,
freaking
really
beautiful.
is.
Let me show them the box so they can see which one it is. And then I'll like put the link also in the description. But this is the box. Got it off of Amazon. Was it like 20, maybe $30? I'm not sure. But it's super easy to, it's like you can do so many variations. It fits in so many different cabinet spaces. The thing is amazing. You can put, it's not even just for spices, it's for a lot of other things too, so.
Yeah, it's multi-purpose, so like you don't have to do exactly what we did with it. I mean, we just use it for the simple fact that we have a lot of seasonings here, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, you be pulling the same thing sometimes, and it gets a little annoying. So yeah.
So
You know how that is.
we're gonna get ready to eat, and then we'll be back to show y'all the rest of our night routine. All right, y'all, so these are the finished plates. We're trying to do like more of a Mediterranean style diet nowadays, so you know,
Yeah.
trying to eat clean and, you know, make sure we...
It can be hard at times. It can be very hard. I don't know. I mean, it's, you know, just trying to keep the cholesterol down, lower that sodium, then use as much salt with this meal. Put the rice vinegar in to help lower the sugar that you be having in your rice. And just eat some more vegetables, you know what I'm saying? So I don't usually, all right, so look, when I eat late like this, just a tidbit, I don't go to bed right away. I need at least 2-3 hours, at least. Cause I gotta let my food digest. Like I can't just like eat, you know what I'm saying? Like, and just go to sleep.
The chicken is good.
Right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Without, you know, using all them salts and everything, like, that's really when you know you cooking. When you don't gotta use a lot of salt, you got that flavor. This is probably the part a lot of y'all do not like to do. It's time to clean up, so I already like put our little leftovers in our glass there, so I can put this away. And then it's not a whole lot of dishes tonight or today because we've already run the dishwasher, so I'm just gonna wash these by hand. And we're gonna do a little tag team wash and dry.
All right.
And then we got this from Target because this is like so amazing when you like have to put stuff on the side of the table. Like it just like lets the water just drip right into the sink instead of just like letting everything collect on the table.
Yeah. Fellas, Team Shawn, look. Sometimes you have to understand something. Your woman, she just brings things into your life that just makes your life so much easier. And sometimes you try to fight it, but I'm not gonna fight this because this actually works. So we're just gonna, you know, look. I'm gonna keep using it because it's dope. Like you don't get them better than this.
Yeah, we're gonna get these dishes done, and then we're gonna chat with y'all for the rest of the day. Alright y'all, so I have taken my shower, feeling fresh, and now usually I do this part in the shower too, but because I wanted to give y'all a good little glimpse and I can't do everything and show you everything, I decided to, you know, just wash my face like I do every night outside today. This is what I usually use. This CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, really good. I'm trying to like clear up some of this. I don't know where this is coming from, but you know, that got to go. And I just ended up popping the nails off, y'all. Like, the glue tabs are the best thing on the nails because I can just pop them back on whenever I want to, because basically it's just the glue tabs and they don't damage your nails, which, you know, I love my good nail beds, don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash my face real quick and get back to see where Shawn is. One thing that I really need is like a good eyebrow lady. Like, y'all, my eyebrow experiences in the past have truly traumatized me, and I just don't be wanting to deal with that no more. Like, because you know they grow back so slow, so I ain't got time for that. ready to go to bed. I'm tired. It's past my bedtime. It's after 11, almost 11:30, and I'm usually in bed by 10:30. So
yeah.
ready to bed, but we gotta take our vitamins before we close out the day. So first, this is my probiotic. Oh, show them the box.
Oh yeah.
Probiotic.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, there y'all see. I know y'all see.
That's the probiotic I take. I also take iron supplements. You know, we need a lot of things as women. These are the iron supplements that I take. Okay, there we go. I don't know why that's saying on the paper stuff up. Okay, iron supplements. Take some vitamin C, of course. Gotta take that. Vitamin C. Gotta take some vitamin D3. Gotta take some zinc. Yeah, y'all, I know this is a lot. But listen, gotta build up the immune system. I got a multivitamin. I also have some liquid B12. And then some black seed oil. That'll take everything. So yeah, that's...
Also, babe, I think you left out one important thing.
Yeah. I take this little like it's like a multivitamin too kinda in a way.
There you go.
Yeah, it's this little thing right here. I ain't even got the patience to explain it right now. I'll link the video where I talk about this, the whole thing. I'll link it in the description below so y'all can see that. But I already took this, you know. That's just one of the things. So
Also, the most important thing, y'all, is always take your vitamins, but what Maya put me on to was you want to take them at night because they work better, obviously, because again, you're sleeping and then when you wake up, you feel more energized, they absorb better because you're resting. So, I mean, that's just a little tidbit. You know, if you take them in the morning, fine, that's up to you. But if you want to try to take it at night, you know, get that B12, you know, you might be able to wake up, you know, you ain't yawning when you're going into work, you know, waiting that, I'm just saying.
I'll be able to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning with no problem.
And this actually don't taste bad either.
But that black seed, ooh.
Oh yeah.
It's like, just, I don't think it's nasty, it's like strong.
It's like drinking spicy wood, if that makes sense. It's like spicy wood. That's the flavor.
I gotta take all these pills.
I only gotta take like 3 of them. Wrong top. Oh yeah. I mean, you'll eventually get used to the black seed oil. I mean, it definitely helps with blood pressure. So that's something if y'all have an issue with. I mean, I'm not a doctor, but I'm just telling you, like it helped me. So I'm doing a little bit better.
But that's all, y'all. We about to hit the hay. I mean, I showed them that I washed my face and stuff after I got a shower. I don't know what. Did you miss out on showing them anything? Yeah, he was in the other shower. So.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of already did that earlier. So, I mean, but y'all stay tuned for the morning routine. Now, the morning routine, there's a little bit more steps, all right? Because I got to get ready for the day, not wind down. So,
and we have more energy.
Yeah, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all feel like we're a little off, you know what I'm saying? But look, we had a long day. We was in traffic all day. We didn't eat lunch till dinner time. And then we didn't eat dinner till late night. Late night. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just bear with us, all right? But we appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Team Shawn, Team Maiah, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We love y'all. MS Nation. We bid y'all a good night. Baby, you got anything else you want to tell them?
I'm ready to go to bed.
Peace. Y'all, hey, look, y'all go to bed too. Get your 8 hours. Go. All right, go now. Bye. Holla at you.